poking his head out, just barely, once in a while. Don't want him to see me. So I'm not gonna move. Just gonna wait for him to stick his head out again. There we go. Where'd that shell go? Awesome. I didn't want to shoot him right there, you know, without thinking about it too carefully, because I have full choke in for when they're far away. That was perfect. He ran right over this tree, started climbing up it, and I got him. There's more of them out. Alright, I'll get to them in a minute. Beautiful gray squirrel. Perfect size. One for the table. Yeah, what I've been doing lately is putting in full choke in my new gun here, and swapping out for improved cylinder whenever I'm in like a grouse woodcock area. Yeah, there's another one over there. I'll hunt him in a second, see if I can get him. These squirrels are super spooky, so I had to stalk them carefully. But that's a nice one. Like a medium-sized gray. Beauty. Cut him up. Give the meat away to my friend. Man, awesome. I think that was a turkey in the trees. Shoot! That was a turkey. Wow. Turkeys in the trees. Woodcock way in the sky up there. First woodcock of the year. It's way too far away. It's probably 400 feet up in the air. That's amazing. It's like flying around like a bat.